Oh my god, I'm scared.
I'm scared. Yo, where'd the rabbit go? Oh, it's right here.
Yo, there's a rabbit.
Oh, guys, look at the ducks. There's ducks over there.
Those are not ducks.
Oh, whatever they are. But they're cool.
Like a white bird. Ducks! I love this.
Okay, Elijah, let's go. Guys, we're going on a nature walk.
Wow.
Yep. And here is what you could sit around.
I hear something cool.
We're at daycare.
Dad, do you remember the girl that were with
Wait, was the name Mr. Sam's last name?
Yeah. He's
Well,
probably.
the teachers have to like stop going here and someone got to end. And our teachers have to
Okay, guys, we're going.
Wait, you gotta get the ball.
Mommy, can we go the way?
When we go back around.
I love baby duck.
Jump over
I love
and
baby.
then just get it and then
I love baby duck.
are we going that way?
I love baby duck. I love baby duck.
Okay,
I love
That's
baby I think there's a walk.
we saw the butterfly.
Wait,
We didn't walk that thing?
I'm watching the video.
No, I need one person.
Oh, it's Scooby-Doo. Oh, the green basketball. Where's the green basketball? Right there. Oh, there's two kickballs. Those are only the green basketball. No, there's two kickballs right there. One is a basketball and then the other is a kickball. Right here.
Do you think I can throw or you should throw?
Let's see if I can make it into the head.
Imagine you don't make it over to myself. You had to make a shoot and then in the basket.
I don't like the idea of you going back there. Can you get that green one? Let's go.
Oh, that's a kickball.
I got that on the basketball.
Oh, another green one? I think I see it.
Oh, I see.
I see it.
Yo, we're loading up.
Wait, that's the little kid's one. That's the little kid's one. That's
Then you should have went the way you were going.
Mommy, follow me. That's the
Go straight.
largest
Run.
class.
Just run and grab it.
That's for the largest class.
Just run and grab it.
That ball.
It's right there. Just run.
It's not.
Mommy, there's an ant on me.
Is it what?
Ant on me. It's tiny.
Ow.
I thought you said me.
Don't use that to me.
I don't know where it was.
Is it stuck underneath trees and stuff?
Wait.
Mom, can you check if the ant's on me?
I go
My teeth scared.
I go
You got that? Yo, we're just loading them.
We're loading them back up.
I know, but we need
Guys, we were loading balls back up for our daycare. We were about on the bridge. We're about to leave and wait car. So bye bye guys. Boy, peace.